Let's make this quick and easy fig and dry fruit milkshake. This milkshake is so rich and creamy without using ice cream or any sort of cream. In a blender, we're going to blend together some figs, some dry fruits, and whole milk. You can use any dry fruits you like. I'm also adding some honey to sweeten this up. You can add maple syrup or any other sweetener as well. Blend everything together and serve right away. This milkshake is delicious and nutritious at the same time. It contains so much protein and nutrients and is also so thick and creamy. I'm going to garnish it with some chopped almonds and enjoy! Let's make this super easy cranberry juice that beats the store-bought version anytime. What we're going to do is in a large pot, we're going to mix together the fresh cranberries, some granulated sugar, a stick of cinnamon, and some lemon juice. We're going to add some water to that as well and bring this to a boil and simmer for about 25 minutes. Once all that is done, we're going to strain it and let it cool down, and the juice is ready. Full recipe is available in the description box below as always. Cranberries have all kinds of health boosting benefits, some of which include lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, lowers the risk of UTI, improves immune function, and the list goes on and on. So make sure you try out this healthy drink this summer and comment down below how you liked it. And yes, you can substitute the sugar for any type of sweetening you like.